So this is a new episode for automation for Aquaponics, the second video that I'm doing. We are about to see the auto feeder kicks in. The fish will be getting 55% of 150 seconds. That's the ratio. The auto feeder just turned on. Another great thing about this new controller here is that I can see the logs. I can see the sum of the day, the seconds of the day, so I can, for instance, you can say that on day 3 the fish got 20 cycles of food, because one cycle takes 10 seconds, and in a period of 30 days I can reach out and see the values. So it's a great feature if you wanna study how much food the fish are getting in a long period of time. Got a day clock like the old controller, just to keep an eye. There's also a possibility to use the light information, the light level, to decide if you wanna feed your fish when there's no light, or if you wanna the controller to be able to do it. Right now it's at no-go. If there's no light, the ratio drops to 0. I can see the loads map, so you can see whatever is on, whatever is off. And I got error messages for pump failure, no probe, so no temperature probe, so everything that can compromise the operation of the entire system is logged. And I can see the uptime. So going back a little bit, I can see the temperatures. Yesterday was a cold day, today is also a cold day, but you guys can see that I got a 30 degrees. What's funny about this is that the minimum temperature is almost stable. Only a little bit of deviation there. So the heater, and I can see that the maximum temperature today was 24 degrees. So the current temperature is 24 degrees. The volume, I can log how much water is getting in. Yesterday I was just testing the system. That's why there's only 1 liter, because if you look over here, the level is quite high because of the rain. Because the set point is only 65, so because of the rain the level is quite high. There's no need for water replacement, for water from the outside to enter the tank. Even when I'm using the radial flow filter pump that sucks some dirt from the bottom of the filter and exchanges water, I can manually turn on the loads. So there are quite a good number of functions, quite a good setting here. This controller can be improved. There's room for more modifications, more resources on the firmware. Next thing that I'm going to be adding is E-square prom here on this header here. this E-square pump will keep all the logs into the E-square pump. Right now they're stored on the RAM memory, so it's a volatile memory. E-square prompts and non-volatile memory, I will be able to keep the logs even when I power cycles. I got this ready, actually working on my bench to see if there are any bugs, and when I feel comfortable I'll be installing the E-square prompt here and updating the firmware. One great thing about this controller is that I can turn on every non-linked to sensor system load, let's say. So I can turn on the high pressure pump, or the, let's turn on the radial flow filter pump. 30 seconds should do. So the pump turns on, water starts coming out from this end of the pipe. This pump has the function to suck a little bit of the dirt of the settling matter that is on the bottom of the filter, and flush it out. You can turn on the auto feeder, so lots of fun stuff to do with this controller. It's already doing great for the entire system, because 15 minutes after the auto feeder kicks in, I'm also turning on the high pressure pump to flush a little bit of the solids that get stuck, that get settled on the taps. So I'm doing that to ensure the proper flow of water the entire day. So 3 times a day this pump will turn on, and then 15 minutes later the auto feeder kicks in, and 1 hour later the radial flow filter pump kicks in to remove these solids, remove most of the solids from the bottom of the filter. Now it's starting to rain here. I'll be ending up this video. Thanks for watching.